Hello everyone, welcome back to A to B Vibes. Today we will learn advanced Linux topics like AWK, shell scripting, Crontab, tar command, zip command, and gzip commands. Okay, let's get started. So we will open terminal. First, we'll create one file. For that, we use cat command to append details of the employee and to create file parallel employee .txt. The file name will be employee.txt. Enter. Now here we will enter the details of the employee along with designation and salary. John from IT, he has 50,000 of salary. And next comes Mike. Mike from HR team has 40,000 of salary. And David from DevOps has 60,000 of salary. And Sarah from admin team has 45,000 of salary. So the main goal is to fetch the details of John along with salary or the designation by using AWK command. So let's save this file first. Control D one time and second time also Control D. Enter. So to verify whether the content has been saved in employee.txt, just cat employee.txt. Enter. So the details has been saved successfully in the file. Now let's use AWK command and print the information which is present in employee.txt. AWK is the command which will fetch the details. Like you can see, this is the parameter 1, parameter 2, and the parameter 3. So these three details we can fetch any one of the detail or two with using AWK command. So let's queue in single quotes, flower bracket open, give like print $1. So you can see this is the parameter 1, parameter 2, and this is called parameter 3. So we have given parameter 1. So we are saying that to print John, in fact, the name from the file, the first parameter from the file. So here in this case, the names are the first parameters, Mike, David, and Sarah. Okay, and the file name employee.txt, enter. So it has displayed all the names which are present in parameter 1. Same, we will go with parameter 3. Okay, which ideally it should display the salaries of the employees, right? So enter. So you can see it has displayed the salaries of the employees. Same, we will print the name and salary by using AWK command. Okay, AWK, we need to give in the single quotes print $1, which is name, okay, comma separated, and $3, which is salary. So from which file we want to fetch the details? Employee.txt. Okay, that. So it has fetched the name of the employee along with salary. Same, we can fetch three designations. What? So same, we can fetch three details like name, designation, and salary, comma separated, $2. Enter. We got three parameters listed here. So now we will move advanced. We will filter by salary. Okay, we will move advanced with the AWK command. we will filter the salary. Like we can see they have like various list of salaries like 50, 40, 60,000 and 45,000. Now the idea is whoever has more than 45,000, that list need to be displayed here. So for that we will use dollar three. $3 means this is the parameter we are giving. So ideally we are saying that this parameter should be greater than 45,000. So the salary should be greater than 45,000, and we are giving the print statement $1, $3. So what ideally it does is like it will print who has 45,000 above salary. It will print the name and the salary, parameter 1 and parameter 2. Enter. So John and David has more than 45,000 of salary. That is how we can fetch the details with the help of AWK. Now we will now we will do shell scripting. Shell scripting is nothing but it is a set of commands which we place in a file to execute in one go. Okay, just we will create one demo.sh shells. Shell script always have extension of .sh. So we will create demo.sh with the VA editor. The VA editor is already covered by me in my previous lectures. Please go through that video. Okay. So we have entered into that .sh file. So to write something here, we need to insert first. So press I in your keyboard. Done. So now there is one shebang line in shell. So this is mandatory. So we are saying to run in bin bash. It is called shebang line. Okay. So once that is completed, we need to write some lines in shell scripting echo. Echo is the command where it will print the statement, print the message. Okay, welcome to A to B vibes. Again, we are printing one more message saying echo. Today we are learning shell script. And we are saying to print the date and also who am I and what is my present directory, present working directory. And I'm saying to print what is my present working directory. To save this, press escape colon WQ. WQ. Okay, colon WQ. So here it is writing. That means we have given message, right? It will write and it will save and it will quit. Enter. To view that, just type cat demo.sh. Enter. So we have content in that .sh file. Okay, now let's check the permission. To check the permission, normally we need to list the file ls-l. So you can see this is the demo.sh. So it don't have execute permission. So chmod command has been explained in the previous lectures. Please go through that video. So here chmod we will change to this as a execute permission. So demo.sh does not have permission to execute. Chmod let's demo.sh. Enter. Now to verify the permission, ls-l. Here you can see it has execute permission, and the color of the file has been changed from white to this color. Okay. Now let's run sh demo.sh. Enter. So we can run in two ways. One way is sh demo.sh and one way is /demo.sh. So enter. You can see At one go, it has run multiple commands. Like you can see it has run date, OMI, PWD. PWD, it printed date, OMI Ravi, and also run the PWD command. So same way we can edit that file. We can edit this, insert, and give number of commands in sequence. It will execute in one go. So that is the beauty of shell scripting. So let's add one more line to echo. This is very cool. Shell scripting. Escape colon WQ enter. Now you can see we have until home Ravi path only, which is PWD. Now we have added new line, right? So that should be printed here. Let's do up arrow two times. Enter. See, it has printed this statement as well. So it will print multiple statements, commands, everything in the shell scripting. One file will execute at one go. So that is all about shell script. And let's see now the topic is cron job. So cron job is like scheduling the jobs. Say for example, this demo.sh need to be run at 10 o'clock in the morning. So what we can do, cron tab -a, this is the default command to edit. Cron tab is a job like it has like scheduling structure. So we are opening it, edit mode. In edit mode, enter, enter. Okay, insert. Let's give star, insert star, 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 star. You need to give 5 stars and slash home, slash home, slash user, slash demo.sh. Okay, save, exit. To verify whether the job is saved or not, crontab-l. Enter. You can see this cron has been set here. So what is the star star star? Okay, let me explain. Open my, okay, here you can see star 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 5 stars given with space. Okay, so it runs every minute. It tells it should run every minute. So say for example now 9:50, it should run at 9:51, 9:52, 53, 54. So this is like minute, hour, sorry. So this is like minute, hour, day, month, and weekly. So you can change like minutes as 5. So it will run for every 5 minutes. And if you want to change the hour also, you can give like 2. So that means 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2 o'clock, 3 minutes, 2 o'clock, 4 minutes like that. Okay, so for now we'll keep all as star like every minute. Copy and let's go to the terminal. Now this demo.sh will run for every minute. That is all a Crontab. So you want to schedule any file to run for every minute or hour without any human intervention. To run any file per minute or hour or day or monthly, you can use Crontab without human intervention. It will run automatically as per the schedule. Okay, that is all about Crontab. Okay, now we will learn about tar tar command. What is tar command? This creates a tar archive actually. So how it will work? Let's see. The command for this tar pvf, and we need to give one name backup.tar. Okay, and what we want to tar is demo.sh. and employee.txt. Okay, so let's start them. Enter. Let's verify that lsfnl. Enter. So what happens? This demo.sh and employee.txt has been tarred here. So let's do one, create one folder. In fact, backup -2 dot -2. That's it. Okay, cd backup 2. Enter. Let's. There is nothing content here. Let's get back to one step. cd dot ls-l. Let's move this backup.tr to there, here. Enter. And let's enter to backup. Let's change directly to backup to ls-l. Okay, ls-l. Oh, it's already there. Now you can see. Okay, I have type. Okay, now you can see the backup.tar is present here. So what happens? We have created one tar with the help of demo.sh and employee.txt. So both the files are present in this backup.tar. So if you want to send this to another employee, they will receive this tar file and they need to untar this. So untar this, how can they do? To untar, we have command called tar xvf and the backup.tar. Enter. Now you can see ls-l. Okay, they got demo.sh and employee.txt. Okay, that is how we can tar. Say for example, if we have 100 files, you cannot send 100 files at one go, right? It is very difficult. So to overcome this, we need to do the tar and send to end user. Then they will untar their backup kind of file in their local system. That's how tar will work. Okay. Same now. So tar is clear, right? Now let's do zip. So to zip, same we have command like zip backup dot zip. So the name extension will be zip. For tar, the extension will be tar, and we will zip these two files. The requirement is same, tar and zip, like to compress large, huge number of files in one zip or one tar. We use this commands employer.txt and demo.sh. We will zip this both files. So it has added both into backup dot. So to verify ls-l. So it has created. So what I'll do, I'll create one more directory, zip folder. Okay, ls-l. Now I will change directory to zip folder. No, not change directory. First, we will move this zip first backup.zip to zip folder. Enter. Now I will change directory to zip folder and let me check the zip is present or not. It is present here backup.zip. So to unzip this, we have command called unzip. Simple to zip, it is simple. To unzip, it is unzip. Backup.zip. Enter. So it has archived, unarchived, in fact, inflating ls-l. So it will keep the backup as it is and it will extract two files. By this way, we can extract the files. So now let's come back one step, cd ls-l. Now let's gzip. This compresses the file using gzip. So we will gzip employees.txt. Okay, enter ls-l. So employee.txt.gzip. So to verify this, we have checked like the extension is gz. Okay. So to unzip dot employee.txt.gzip. Enter ls-l. So you can see it has become normal. So this is all like we have learned about AWK shell scripting and Crontab scheduling, and also we tar. We have learned about tar, zip, and gzip commands. So these are very important Linux skills for automation and DevOps. See you in next video. Thank you all. We will learn